Micro steps to wealth with cryptocurrency. Knowledge versus belief about money. Let's begin with a review of how you think about money and what effect those thoughts might have on making money and growing that money into a fortune. Here, we'll illustrate the difference between having knowledge about something and having a belief in something, and what that does to the actions that you actually end up taking, which lead to the results that you end up getting. I'm going to share knowledge with you and demonstrate specific examples that have changed my beliefs. These new beliefs change the actions that I take with money, which, step by step, has led to dramatically different and better results for me. And I think these beliefs can do the same for you. We begin with the focus of providing you a sequence of sure and certain financial successes that you can repeat and repeat to build all the prosperity you desire and deserve. You will prove to your subconscious mind that money works for you. Putting this knowledge into action can change your beliefs about money and change the way you interact with money in all areas of your life. You and many others who read this book are going to become financially independent with a deep reservoir of assets. And then you're going to purchase many fantastic and fun things for your life. Why can I make such a bold prediction? Because you will see how easy it is, what specifically to do, and how to build the beliefs that create new habits that, in the long run, assure your success. We are starting out with investing in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies because we can start off with micro amounts of risk capital to begin investing and growing our money. Starting with micro investing with Bitcoin allows us to skip over some of the steps that investors had to go through in the past. We no longer need to set up an account with a brokerage firm and deposit thousands of dollars in order to place our orders while paying high commission fees in order to just start investing. Click below to move on to the next topics in this lesson. What is risk capital? Money works by laws. And what do you think about money?